And welcome back. I'm meteorologist Michael Del Sancho taking a look at our current radar and satellite. I know we see a lot of rain out to our west. There's also a cold front. That's what we're keeping an eye on. That's going to swing through tomorrow. But as of right now, tonight, we just got some clouds on and off really throughout. So it's going to be a dry evening while we're out and about. So as far as what we're watching tonight, still staying warm. It's one of our last warmer nights in the short term. So we've got some of those clouds. But tomorrow, when that front comes through, we're looking at some winds. Could be strong at times, even possibly a severe storm in the afternoon. And then behind it, much cooler weather, very autumn-like. And then that's what we're in store for on Sunday. It's going to stick around for a little while. We've got a little bit of a temperature trend difference going on here. Even tomorrow, dropping today from the 80s to mid-70s. And look at that, our highs are in the 60s, and then our nighttime temperatures in the 40s. So it's a little bit of a shock to the system, but it's really where we should be at this time of the year. We gently warm up as the week goes on, and then after next week, it actually becomes a little bit cooler again. So trying to always look a little bit further ahead. Now, as far as what's going on across the country, we've got a trough out west that's bringing a much colder air down towards Denver. And then on the right, we've got the ridge along the east coast, and that's where all that warm air is. So as soon as that front moves through tomorrow and just really shifts, that cooler air begins to move in our direction. Our winds will come from the northwest. They're going to be pretty strong at times. And it's also going to deliver some rain. Now, it's not a washout all day tomorrow. It says rainy and some thunderstorms, but it's just a little bit of right before and right after that front comes through. So I'll time it out for you right now. We'll just take a look. Tomorrow morning early, you can see our western regions. That's where the front's located. We can get some showers. Once we get into the afternoon time period, here we are about 1, 2 o'clock. It's moving through Northern Virginia, I-270 corridor, and then just to the east of D.C. around 5 or 6 o'clock. Once it moves on out, we've got some clear skies on the back end. It's going to cool off very quickly tomorrow, so you're going to feel it tomorrow night. It's going to be cold, it's going to be windy, and once again, that's going to stick around all the way through into Sunday. So for tomorrow, we are in a marginal risk. That's just of severe storms. Generally, what we're looking for is just some windy conditions in the afternoon, gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Now, as far as rain, how much are we going to expect? Just depends on if you hit some of those small pockets where we get some heavier rain. But for the most part, looking at about 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch. This is simulated, so it's saying closer to about 1/2 inch to D.C. But once again, just depends on if you get into one of those pockets. Now, for tonight, 60 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Winds are going to be from the south. Still very light, 5 to 7 miles per hour. And then tomorrow morning, waking up in the upper 60s. And then throughout the day, we've got some of those showers on and off as it moves through. Once again, remember that earlier in the day, if you're further to the west, and then later in the day, if you're closer to D.C. And then 54 degrees tomorrow night as we clear out. And once again, we've got that wind. So temperatures, looking at 76 as a high, 75 in Mount Airy, 76 in Germantown, Harpers Ferry, 73 degrees. So the weekend's going to be cold and blustery once we get to Sunday, but Saturday's pretty warm with those gusty showers. And on the other side, we're looking at 63 degrees, cooler and breezy conditions. Now for a 7-day forecast, Saturday is the transition day. Sunday is cool at 63. Then we're looking at a lot of sunshine, lot of dry weather, breezy conditions on Monday, but then we'll warm back up into the low and mid-70s by the end of the week. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.